Microsoft To Do Task Manager Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're thinking about using Microsoft To Do as your go-to task manager, you've come to the right place. Links to the product are available in the description below. Microsoft To Do is a cloud-based, cross-platform productivity tool designed for task and list management. Whether you're juggling work assignments, managing personal errands, or planning long-term projects, this app provides a comprehensive solution. One of its standout features is seamless integration with Microsoft 365 services, allowing users to sync tasks across devices, view them within Outlook, and collaborate within shared lists. This functionality is a major plus for those already using Microsoft's suite of productivity tools. The interface is clean, straightforward, and customizable, allowing users to create lists, add due dates, set reminders, and even include subtasks for better organization. Smart lists like My Day help users focus on priority tasks for a specific day, promoting a habit of daily task review and planning. Additionally, the built-in planned and important sections automatically sort tasks that need urgent attention, minimizing the risk of oversight. However, if you're looking for a highly sophisticated project management tool with advanced features such as Gantt charts or team dashboards, Microsoft To Do might feel limited. This app is most effective for personal task management or teams that need a lightweight collaborative tool. Compared to more robust tools like Asana or Trello, Microsoft To Do shines in simplicity but falls short when it comes to complex project handling. Overall, Microsoft To Do is perfect for users who want an intuitive, minimalistic, yet powerful task manager that fits effortlessly into the Microsoft ecosystem. Its straightforward interface, reliable sync capabilities, and focused design make it an excellent choice for those who prioritize simplicity without sacrificing essential task management features. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content that keeps you productive and informed. Your engagement helps spread useful information to others who need it.